The blockchain is digging in for the long haul, as are major monetary power sponsors digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. With progressive algorithmic mastery, the experts have been working really hard to track down approaches to developing a computerized resource that holds an incentive for making installment. Not simply in conventional cash move stages-based exchanges, however, all online business-based exchanges too. Telcoin, the Telvantage. Telcoin has turned into the cynosure of dealers and financial backers, the same as opportune installments are ensured through perfect exchanges in the e-com circle. A larger part of administrations of money and coordinated administrations, beginning from DEXs, loaning dApps, to numerous others, can be effortlessly gotten to by the organization's True Wallet, Telcoin wallet application for Android and iOS clients, and existing versatile wallets. The affirmation of such exchanges gets handled in a negligible part of seconds. This occurs because of quicker blockage times, wherein the charges are the least. Telcoin empowers decentralized trades to offer speedy and economical exchanges for their clients. Reconciliation with Telcoin assists clients with confiding in a completely dependable source and that their financials are not altered. Acquiring credits of strong speed, scale, irreversibility, and security from Ethereum Telcoins are financially savvy and mistake-free. In the expressions of Paul Neuner, Telcoin pioneer and president and blockchain master Claude Aguinta, Telcoin president Paul Neuner said additionally verification individuals wherever are burnt out on overpaying for essential monetary administrations like settlement, and that they are prepared to relocate to another, decentralized stage like Telcoin. Telcoin has additionally been effectively associated with crypto local area joint efforts. To use greater versatility, Telcoin establishment assumes a significant part in open contributions, and the token TEL is recorded on different trades. The Telcoin establishment additionally has produced applications for supporting the Telcoin convention of blockchain calculation. Telcoin, specialized investigation and verifiable information. Costs are extremely delicate to swarm mental methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. The latency that at first played for Telcoin in 2017, when it was established, is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as dealers. The downswing that played for Telcoin in 2019 vanished in the background of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape, or form a worldview. However certain in the ENY point of view, it very well may be said the token was being followed for development. A habitually and distinctly noticed quality of Telcoin is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a dreary execution, TEL has displayed security, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy as a formerly inaccessible monetary administration stage. A great deal of e-exchanges individuals trade Telcoins. Even in distributed exchanges and minimal expense computerized settlements, TEL token has been a functioning job player. Clients remaining inside needed to have the advantage of doing exchanges on the web and with the solace of their cell or workstation. This caused a spray in online business, thus TEL surfaced as a significant job player. In the time of its establishment, 2017, TEL scarcely began with $0 afterward, notwithstanding one of 2 quarters here and there it kept on moving upwards in the year 2018, taking itself to $0, and by the start of 2019, it remained at $0. Toward the finish of 2019, Telcoin value proceeded to decline and tumbled to the low of $0 walk 2020. In the wake of hitting such high, the coin confronted moderate rectification and it kept on amending till date. In view of our Telcoin TEL cost expectation for 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The anticipated cost for 2026 is 0.10014. With a 5-year venture, the procuring potential is supposed to be around plus 1,034.59%. The base cost of Telcoin can go up to 1 cent in 1 year. Telcoin is said to have a bullish cycle and procure a benefit for its financial backers. The Telcoin cost is estimated to reach 1 cent by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is 2 cents, and the base cost is 1 cent. The Telcoin cost expectation 2022 may be around 1 cent, which will make it a productive speculation. Our computerized coin TEL cost estimate reflects positive feeling. The ongoing cost of TEL exchange is above 1 cent, and it is anticipated to reach 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. The greatest value level might be at 1 cent, and the most reduced cost may be around $0. The normal for the primary half is 1 cent. Telcoin gauge toward the month's end $0. Change for 2022 to 27.5%, making it a beneficial long-haul speculation choices in the digital currency market. Telcoin value expectation 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the start of 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Telcoin's development, particularly with rivals getting up to speed and intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. The typical cost in the year 2023 would be $0. Most extreme cost would be 8 cents. Telcoin Value Forecast 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the digital currency market. It is normal that Telcoin will control the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $0 light of the most well-known specialized pointers. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Telcoin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Telcoin Value Expectation 2025. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started the cost of Telcoin with $0 end with the 1 cent mark. Subsequently, it has helped the market feeling peculiarity radically. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul Telcoin cost development, following it intently. Telcoin cost could cross 1 cent by December 2025. It will be productive to purchase Telcoin at the ongoing cost to acquire critical benefit constantly and it would reach to a base value level of $0 greatest cost of 1 cent. Telcoin Value Forecast 2026. It will clearly cross the cost of Telcoin to what it will be in 2025. The typical cost in the year 2026 would be 1 cent and most extreme cost would be 1 cent. Telcoin Value Expectation 2030. As per our Telcoin cost expectation, the Telcoin worth will exchange with a typical cost of 2 cents. The normal greatest cost. Least cost will stretch around 0.024 and 0.022 separately by the main portion of the year. Tel Crypto Cost Expectation expects constantly and Telcoin value equivalent to 2 cents will pursue Tel tokens a brief decision for a decent return. And Telcoin Value Expectation 2026 and then some. After 2026, Telcoin is anticipated to outperform 1 cent by all means founded on the Telcoin specialized examination of the digital money trade aggregator, essentially in light of the fact that after 2026, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy. Our Telcoin cost estimate extends an uplifting perspective for Telcoin future cost. The cost ascend in the following 5 years is supposed to be 133%, given the value changes of future outcomes. The Tel digital money is supposed to exchange over the base cost of 2 cents and rise further to a greatest cost of 2 cents in 2030. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment with more extensive reception. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030 as the reception of Telcoin would develop dramatically. Toward the finish of 2030, the cost of Telcoin could raise a ruckus around town mark.